back to another Travel 101 experience. Recently during our trip to Vegas, we stayed at the Mirage located on the famous Vegas Strip. After parking our car at the hotel's car park, we proceeded to check in. There was only a small queue, so it didn't take very long, but this also gave us the time to admire the beautiful fish tank behind the check-in counter. Then it was straight up to our room. We had booked a king room, which came at a rate of $258 Australian dollars, and this was on a Friday night. Upon entering the room, our first impressions was it was quite nice. It was spacious and featured a large bed in the center. There was a snack shelf, but be cautious, if you touch any of the items, you'd be automatically charged. So best to avoid them unless you do intend to purchase. The same rule applied to the items in the bar fridge. The room had an ice bucket for us to use. There was also a small desk area with 2 seats and numerous USB and power points available. Other amenities of the room included an ironing board, iron hangers, and a safe, and free Wi-Fi. The bathroom offered a few extra toiletries, which was great if you forgot anything. There was also a bathtub. Our room faced the direction of the Strip, which provide us with great views at night. As we all know, Vegas is beautiful when it's lit up. Next, we decided to explore the hotel a little further. The Mirage boasts its own casino, and there is an exclusive pool just for the hotel guests. And as you can see, the pool is very popular. The hotel also features a beautiful atrium in the middle. This is definitely worth checking out. So, if you're in search of a conveniently located hotel on the Vegas Strip that isn't too expensive, the Mirage might be the perfect place for you. We really hope you enjoyed getting a little insight to our stay at the Mirage. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.